Blackrock is expanding its push into new crypto ETFs, and developments like this can matter for assets like XRP. The firm is now looking to add additional crypto ETFs after strong demand for its existing products. Blackrock manages more than 10 trillion in assets, and every new ETF expands institutional access to the crypto market. And once institutional access to crypto expands, attention usually starts moving beyond the largest assets, and that's where assets like XRP start entering the conversation. Because XRP sits in a very specific part of the ecosystem, it's focused on liquidity, payments, and cross-border settlement infrastructure. So while this isn't an XRP ETF announcement, it is another signal that institutional exposure to digital assets continues to grow. And at the same time, exchange activity around XRP has dropped to extremely low levels. The exchange transaction delta for XRP just hit an all-time low, and historically, periods like this tend to appear before large market moves, because when exchange activity drops this low, it usually means a lot of speculative trading has already cooled down and many of the weaker hands have already exited the market. What often remains are strong long-term holders who are simply sitting on their positions. Those quieter phases are often where the market is building the foundation for the next major move. But while exchange activity is quiet, the XRP ledger itself is getting busier. Daily transactions on the network are now approaching 3 million per day. So even though price has been moving sideways, the actual usage of the network is increasing. And when rising network activity starts combining with tightening exchange supply, it often creates the kind of conditions that can support a stronger market move. Now technically, XRP may be approaching a major moment. If we zoom out to the chart, the Bollinger Bands are extremely compressed right now. Volatility compression like this usually happens when the market is building pressure. Price trades inside a tighter and tighter range, liquidity builds on both sides of the market, and eventually that pressure releases through a large volatility expansion. The last two major Bollinger Band squeezes on XRP triggered moves of roughly 600% and then another 83% rally. Now compression doesn't guarantee direction, but historically when XRP reaches these levels of compression, the market rarely stays quiet for long. Meanwhile, in Washington, the regulatory story is also still evolving. The Clarity Act is currently being debated, and the biggest disagreement right now is actually about stablecoins, specifically whether stablecoins should be allowed to offer yield or rewards. Banks are pushing back against this idea because they're worried that reward-bearing stablecoins could start competing directly with traditional bank deposits. So this debate isn't just about crypto regulation, it's really about who controls the future deposit system of money. At the same time, Senator Cynthia Lummis is pushing Congress to move faster. She says the United States cannot afford delays in creating clear crypto market structure rules, and she's urging lawmakers to move forward with the Clarity Act. And now the fate of the bill may come down to one key senator, Tom Tillis. Tillis is currently reviewing a compromise around the stablecoin issue before deciding whether to support this legislation. So depending on how that decision unfolds, the bill could either move forward soon or face further delays. And quickly, outside of XRP, stablecoin activity on Hedera has also been rising rapidly. Stablecoin volume on the network is up roughly 42% over the past month, and this is another sign that blockchain-based payment infrastructure continues expanding.
And by the way, guys, if you're looking for a trusted and reliable trading brokerage, I will highly recommend Capital, SureTrade, which have made trading very easy and much profitable. My links are down below. You can proceed to registering your trading account and earn as an advanced trader, as the trade are being carried out automatically by the trading bots, which makes profits guaranteed, ensuring over 10 to 20% profit daily, weekly, or monthly, depending on your investment portfolio. Trading systems save traders from the risk of being liquidated while trading, because the trading risk is being handled by the risk management team. So that was a quick update. And lastly, guys, if you want to stay up to date with everything I'm posting real time, I've got a free official WhatsApp group where I share market updates, breaking crypto news, charts, and very important development in the trading system. This is absolutely for free. So if you want to be part of that, the link is down below in this video description. You've got to check it out.